an integrated, all-in-one solution for UAV management, promising a sustainable and interconnected future. Mitsubishi Electric recently unveiled their new AnyMile drone-based logistics service platform, an all-in-one software solution with a comprehensive feature set that includes shipment, fleet and service management applications. The highly customizable program is designed to integrate UAV systems, UTM systems and other management applications, and various stakeholders in a consortium solution designed to meet specific use cases. In addition, the new AnyMile Manufacturer Portal allows UAV manufacturers to promote their solutions and products to prospective buyers as a free service. The portal supports the distribution of marketing collateral, performance and warranty information, usage instructions, maintenance schedules and procedures, and more. Zafer Sahinoglu, Vice President and General Manager of Mitsubishi Electric Innovation Center, MELIC, said, as the industry continues its rapid growth, management of drones, terminals, routes and every other aspect of operations will become increasingly more complex, which speaks to the need for an all-encompassing logistics operations management platform like AnyMile. AnyMile aligns with Mitsubishi Electric's mission to achieve truly global and interconnected sustainable smart society, while decreasing our carbon footprint. AnyMile is integrated with One Sky to provide UTM services, and supports all current categories of UAV, multirotor, fixed-wing, single-rotor or fixed-wing hybrid VTOL, EVTOL, serving as an end-to-end resource planning and management system. Additional services include real-time route mapping, picking up cargo at a specific location, delivery tracking, setup of terminal locations, maintenance management, as well as a suite of business features that include invoicing, booking services, and advanced metrics tracking. An interactive demo of AnyMile will be on display at the Consumer Electronics Show, CES, in Las Vegas from January 9 to 12, 2024 in Mitsubishi Electric's booth number 3541 in the West Hall.